Welcome to Nuts and Bolts Before You Call Edition. In this series, we cover little issues that can easily be addressed before you call a technician. Let's get to it. Today's topic is about the washing machine. If the washer isn't functioning properly, there are a few quick and easy things you can try to get this appliance back up and running. If your washer won't turn on, we want to be sure the washer is plugged in. We all know how unbalanced loads can cause vibrations, which, in the long run, can cause a plug to slowly become unplugged. It might seem a little too simple, but it's a possibility. If your washer is plugged in but still won't work, check the breaker box. If a fuse is blown or a circuit breaker is tripped, you may be able to replace the fuse or turn the breaker back on. If this happens frequently, call an electrician immediately. You could have other issues that need to be addressed. If your washer is plugged in and the breakers are fine, but it still won't work, both front and top load models require a lid or door switch and latch to engage for the washer to work. These switches can break and must be replaced. If you're still encountering issues with your washer, it could be a sign of an internal problem which may require some disassembly or a professional's diagnosis. But by doing a little troubleshooting yourself before you make that call can save you time and some money. I hope this information helps. Please like and share this knowledge with others and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.